Welcome, Scorpworks Tarot, Tagalog Tarot Reading. So, salamat po sa pag-connect nyo at pagsubaybay at pagsuporta. Well, it's free naman, kaya enjoy lang tayo. So, this reading is for Taurus for July 15 to 21. Tingnan natin kung ano ang message ng tarot card. So, nakapagtanghalian na ba tayo kung anong mga oras nasa inyong lugar dyan? Parang gustong kumain ng sinigang. Yep. So, ako po yung OFW. So, kamusta ang mga OFW kababayan natin? Enjoy po tayo. Nag-uulan yata sa Pilipinas. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang message para sa Taurus. Taurus this week ng July 15 to 21. So, reading po nito ay timeless. So, kung depende po sa timeline natin. So, kung makonect sa inyo at some motivation, just pick it up. Don't take it seriously ang ating pang-araw-araw na ginagawa. Basta gawin natin yung dapat na nararapat, ika nga. Keep on hoping and loving and giving and sharing. Okay. Taurus. Tignan natin. Kuha tayo ng 3 card. Tignan natin. Sana mayroong something. Okay. Tumalon na siya. Ano kaya ito? Okay. Balance. Okay. Giving and receiving. I like this card actually. 6 of Pentacles. So, whatever you give, you receive. Huwag lang sobra-sobra. Kung marami kang maibibigay, that's good. That's well. May hinihintay kang balita, o may isang bata, o merong isang maliit kang proyekto, gusto mong magtayo ng maliit na negosyo, or maliit na contributions, maliit na savings, investment in stocks. Ba't pumasok yun? Maganda ba mag-invest sa stocks ngayon? Ingat lang tayo sa mga scammers. Okay. So, mukhang may dividendo ka nang makukuha kung ano man yung ininvest mo. O, meron kang pinaglalaanan. Seed money, ika nga, para sa maliit mong negosyo, gustong itayo o palakihin pa. So, side hustle, it can be something practical na pwedeng lumago. Okay, it's all about money. Okay, kung name siyang aanihin, ika nga, kapag hindi nagwo-workout, kailangan putulin. Okay, so something is no longer serving its purpose. Tapos na daw yun. Huwag nang iyakan pa. Pero babalik pa rin yun. Meron bang nanghiram na hindi nagbayad? O negosyong medyo nahirapan tapos it's either lumago o kailangan pa natin ng puhunan para palaguin, dahil that's how we learn. Pag nagnegosyo ka o sa trabaho, hindi mo malalaman kung unless yung gagawin mo. Okay? Pero yung reward nun is something very, very huge. Okay? As long as i-disconnect natin yung ating emosyon dun sa reality ng... Sometimes it's all about, you expect too much. and then it didn't work out, ano lang, move on. And it's still great news that's coming in. Sa trabaho, okay, meron ka bang ina-apply ang trabaho or mas marami kang ginagawang trabaho kaysa dun sa office mate mo? Okay? Move on. It's either you disconnect, and the fulfillment sometimes is coming from being grateful for what you have than comparing it with somebody else na bakit ganoon ng hindi patas, because that's six, okay, that's how it is. It should be balanced. You're always looking for balance. I think this is coming from the emotional state. Okay, so yeah, that's the reading for Taurus for the week of July 15 to 21. So that's something that we should not maybe detach, I think, but it's a very, very positive for you, Taurus. Okay, so see you next week. Have a great week ahead.